result is another 2 million. Okay, kung 2 million is subscription na siya, pila how much is their total authorized capital stock? ECS niya, total authorized capital stock. So this is pila? 8 million. So 8 million ay ang ilahang 8 million lang ang ilahang authorized capital stock. And what is the result is 2 million. Kung total authorized capital stock. So this is how to organize corporation. Kasi lahat ng mga bangko, walang bangko na organize which is not in a corporate form. So lahat ng bangko, kahit say government or private banks, they are organized in a corporate form. Walay sole, walay partnership, only in a corporate form. Lahat ng mga bangko. Okay? Nakita nyo yung 100,000? Dito rin nakita sa ordinary commercial bank. Okay? Okay, I repeat on this one. Borrowing corporation. Asa pwede makabaro ang commercial bank? Una? Okay, in the Banco Central. In terms on rate discounting. Again, in terms of direct borrowing. Saan pwede maka-direct borrowing ang